Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make black chocolate-covered strawberries, easy method. Start by washing and thoroughly drying strawberries, leaving the green tops on for handling. Melt dark chocolate with a touch of coconut oil until smooth and glossy. Dip each berry fully or half, tapping gently to remove excess. Chill on parchment for 10 to 15 minutes until set, then serve or store in a single layer. I will guide you through a simple dipping routine that guarantees even coverage and glossy finish. Keep chocolate warm but not hot so it clings to the fruit. Dip with confidence, letting excess drip back into the bowl before placing berries on parchment. Chill briefly to lock the shell, and handle minimally to avoid fingerprints. This method is fast, reliable, and perfect for parties or a cozy treat at home. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long baking sessions and make great gifts for hosts. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can snag a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll finish with simple decorations that elevate your berries to elegant treats. If you want contrast, drizzle white chocolate in thin lines or add crushed toppings before the shell firms. For a true black look, use a deep dark chocolate and avoid shiny glazes that lighten color. Chill just long enough to set, then serve cold for a crisp bite and juicy center, perfect for gifting or dessert displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.